Hello everybody, Andrew here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change your country location to any country location on your YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, you need to go to a browser and open YouTube as usual. Remember, you have to switch to desktop mode. That is the only way you could do it. Let's go. Once it load up, try and join YouTube Studio. Click on it. Okay, then there's a setting down below. Press the setting button. Go to channel. There you go. You can choose any country of your choice. Like me, I prefer United States. So I choose the United States and I add United States key and the US key to it. And then click save. That's it people. It's not much of a big deal. Please leave a like, leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all. Mice out.